I'm constantly hearing stories about people spending Jefferson nickels, later to find out after watching one of my videos that they accidentally spent a coin that was potentially worth lots of money. Let's go over some coins in this video. So look at this 1943p coin that sold for $5,405. Now, this coin was graded by PCGS in Mint State 67. The highest grade we can get in grading is 70, so this one's only 3 points away from that perfect grade of 70. Now, the reason why this coin sold for so much money is because, first of all, if you flip the coin over and look in the back top center of the coin, you can see a large P. Now that P is a mint mark standing for the Philadelphia Mint. Now let's flip the coin back over and look in the obverse, or the front of the coin. Now this coin is a doubled die obverse coin. So if you look at Liberty and the date on the right and a little bit at the motto on the left, you can see what's called doubling. Doubling is a naturally occurring process during the mint where there's an error on the hub causing it to have this design feature on these coins. If you have a 1943 coin and it has a double die obverse like this, you could have a coin with a lot of money because this one sold for $5,405. Now this one's pretty tricky to see, but this coin sold for $8,812, and here's why. So this one's really challenging to see, but if you look on the date at the bottom right there, you're gonna see the 1943 date. Now it's important to know that this coin graded by PCGS in Mint State 67, which does contribute to the value of this coin. This is a 1943 over 1942 variety. If you look very closely, you can see the small 2 underneath the 3. This, in combination with the condition, allowed it to sell for $8,812. Not going to spend a ton of time on this one, but this 1943 Jefferson nickel sold for $11,500. Now, it's important to know that when you sell your coin can be a very important reason to the value of the coin. If you sell your coin at a market low, it's going to bring a lot less money than if you sell it at a market high. This one has a doubled die obverse. Now this one looks a little less obvious than the previous one we showed with the doubling, but you can see in Liberty, the date, and the motto at the left, you can see some clear doubling happening. Sometimes you're going to need magnification to see that, but keep your eyes peeled because this one sold for $11,500. This coin sold for $16,675, and the main reason is this is again a 1943 over 1942 coin that graded very highly by PCGS at a Mint State 67. Look again very closely at the 1943 date there. You can see that there's a 1942 right underneath. All these things combined allowed it to sell for $16,675. YouTube knows exactly what video you should watch next because it is a smart computer algorithm that understands what you watch. Now, is YouTube right? If they're right, the video on the screen right now will pop up and that video will be best suited for you. So click on that video and I'll see you inside.